What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the crypto babe. How's everybody doing out there on this football Sunday? Game day. Game day, game day. Hope you're having a marvelous day today. I want to get this information out to you guys. I forgot to mention it yesterday. But if you're here for the very first time, you know what to do. Smash it, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. If you haven't checked out my crypto projects, guys, do yourself a favor. Go check them out at www.coffeeandcoins.info. Check them out. See what I got going on. All right, before we get into it, I want to just shout out to my local business partner that gave me these nice glasses. Well, this is a glass. You see that? Rise up. Then they gave me this nice mug. I had it in the freezer, so I just wanted to show you guys that. Nice. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. All right. So, run into a lot of nice, great folks out here in these business opportunities. All right, guys. So let's get into it. What I wanted to do is talk about this real quick because it did impact a business opportunity that I had on Friday, but it didn't affect it, if that makes sense. But we'll get into it. All right. So let's talk about this article here. All right. Cash App and Square down. Payment services are steadily recovering after hours of long outages. This actually happened on Friday. Okay. This happened Friday. All right. It says it right here. New York article, thousands Cash App and Square customers were unable to access their accounts or send money Thursday and early Friday. I had no idea. We'll talk about it. Due to system outages impacting both payment services. Outage reports for both platforms picked up around the same time Thursday afternoon, according to data from Outage Tracker Down Detector. In the hours following, numerous customers took to social media to share error messages and frustrations about not being able to access their money. Since around noon, 3 p.m. Eastern Time on Thursday, sellers have been unable to access accounts or process payments due to a system outage with Square. Square wrote on X, which is Twitter, formerly known as Twitter, shortly before 7 a.m. Eastern Time Friday, "We know you trust us with your business, and these situations add challenges to running your operations. For that, we are truly sorry." In a later update to its online status portal, Square said that its services were steadily regaining their functionality Friday morning. Cash App similarly reported some services recovering Friday. As of around 7:30 a.m. Eastern Time, Cash App said that customers could once again add cash, make purchases with their cash card, and buy Bitcoin. But not all services had fully returned yet. We're continuing to get the ability to send payments and cash out back up running. Cash App wrote on its status page Friday morning. On Thursday night, the payment services urged those experiencing issues not to reattempt any action such as sending and receiving payments. Block Inc., a San Francisco-based tech company formerly known as Square, is the parent company of Cash App and Square. The payment services are widely used by small businesses, donation drives, and everyday payments between consumers. Wow, wow, wow. Now that is very interesting. They talk about Thursday. I really didn't know anything about it Thursday. But I did experience some things on Friday. Okay? And I'll tell you why. Because I am in the DeFi space, right? I'm into crypto opportunities. And then, of course, prior to that, and I still am, a digital marketer in the affiliate marketing space. Okay, where we actually promote digital products, and we're paid peer-to-peer, member-to-member. Okay, where people actually go to our link, they purchase these different digital products, training, okay, and they pay us directly any way we want to get paid. So I had a person, they're now a member, to go to my site here. This was Friday, to get our $300 a day blueprint, right? This is a great program, by the way. Okay, definitely go check this out, thecopypastemethod.com, www.thecopypastemethod.com. all right, where you get world-class training. All right, these are training products, so I'm going somewhere. So unbeknownst to me, I had no idea all that was going on with Cash App, that there was a problem even Thursday. Okay, so we experienced this on Friday. So I've got someone attempting to get this program. I want you to check this out though, guys. This is an awesome program. Look at all the testimonies of people on here getting paid with this 3-step system. 100% commissions. Okay, go check it out. So I was contacted, hey, I'm trying to make a payment, right? So they go here, click here, and guess what? I have that as an option, Cash App, because I know a lot of people have Cash App. It's easy, simple, download the app, boom, 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 easy. Sure enough, they were trying to make a payment. They were getting an error. And I figured, maybe they doing something wrong. Maybe it's a user error issue. So I try on mine to just add some funds, and I get this error. Let me show you the message I was getting. So this is the message I was getting. The operation couldn't be completed. Session error, domain error 503. I kept getting it. I kept trying to add some funds, okay, just to see. And this is what they said they were getting. Like, not sure what's going on. So for me, of course, I have several ways, several options that you can make a payment. So guess what? On the page, it says we accept credit cards, debit cards. You already have your debit card on the Cash App anyway, right? Is that the one you're trying to use or not? It doesn't matter. You have a debit card. Go ahead and click the button here. Make your payment via debit card. All right. So the point of the matter, well, the message I'm trying to convey is never ever have only one way to transact business. Right. I heard a lot of people talk about, because then it came on the news where folks this is how they conduct their business via Cash App or Square. You know, Square also has a little, looks like a little square where folks can swipe their card and things like that. You see them all over the place, especially small business owners, right? And whether you're a lawn care, hairstylist, you sell flowers, whatever it is, a lot of folks use Cash App and Square. And they have their funds there, and that's what they use. So a lot of people just was out of business because they don't have other options. So this is why I want to show you guys, you definitely always want to have other options. So I was able to do what? Conduct business as usual. Again, I didn't even realize it was that big of a deal. I didn't know that it was a hard down because business was still flowing. Okay. Now, what are we talking about? Other options. Guess what, guys? You have other options, right? Here's a company that accepts, where you can get signed up with them to accept debit cards and credit cards. Authorized.net, right? Accept payments that way. Then, of course, we know this one. PayPal. That's another option. A lot of folks have PayPal, and if they don't, it's real simple. Just like Cash App, you can download it in 5 minutes, and you're back in business, right? But what about digital banking, crypto, right? Now that person may not have had crypto, but I had other options for them. Most people always have a debit card. But let's talk about digital banking. I still highly recommend you add that to the mix. And guess what? PayPal not only has the PayPal debit card processor that we're used to, they are into crypto now. I remember receiving an email from them about crypto. But check it out. Another way to get into crypto, having these options. That way you never lose business. So again, like I said, I didn't even know it was a hard down deal with them being down from Thursday, Friday, because they notified me just yesterday on the app saying, because I did send a message in support saying hello, they never answered. So yesterday they sent this and saying Cash App is back up and running. We're sorry if you were impacted by our recent outage. We're working to resolve any remaining issues affecting customers. I had no idea. Because I continue to do business as usual. But keep your options open. Have different alternatives, guys. So now PayPal is in the crypto space. Right here, buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrency. Curious about crypto? Get confident with the app. Look at this. They see Cash App, everybody else in it. They're in it now. Use the app to buy, transfer, sell cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, and new PayPal stablecoin, PayPal USD. You see this? What you should know about crypto and PayPal. Okay? So, again, we're talking digital banking alternatives. Okay? So, that's what I love about what I do. Even if I wasn't in the crypto space, right? I still had other options for people to conduct business. I wouldn't have lost the sale either way. Okay? So, available in top crypto wallets, they have MetaMask, Ledger, Phantom, Magic. This is PayPal. Alright, guys? And then, of course, you know, one of my other options, we've got GS Partners. With this, if someone had crypto, they could send me crypto right to my crypto wallet. I have a hot wallet with GS Partners. So digital banking, guys, digital banking. Think outside the box. Because that really crushed people Thursday and Friday. They had no other idea. Because when you think about, you can always get the cash, right? Oh, I got cash. I got to go to the bank, get it out, withdraw it, do all this stuff. You may not have, you may not be able to get to the cash, right? You're right there where you are trying to transact business. Oh, I don't, or somebody may say, I don't accept cash. Some people don't. You know, so get into these alternatives. Guess what else? Spritz. Spritz. I keep telling you guys about this. The link is in the description. You can go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. Get your Spritz virtual debit card. That's the other thing. I can accept that if a person has Bitcoin or crypto in general, right? Because check this out. Hang on a second. This prepaid crypto debit card. All I have to do is click Fund with Crypto, click it. They could send Bitcoin or Tron to me, give them my crypto address, right? See, I added 150 on there last week. But I could accept it here, okay, with Spritz. So there's alternative ways. That should tell you it didn't even affect what I was doing. I didn't even know Cash App was down. Okay, so if you got these alternatives, doesn't even affect your business any way, form, shape, or fashion. Because even with my digital programs, this particular website, I have it set up where it's just accepting here. But the good thing is I always have my phone number out there, because you never know when people will have questions or something may happen. See, if I didn't have my phone number there where folks can contact me, just a Facebook message or something like that, I don't read that stuff all the time. Okay, I don't check that every day. Call me, contact me. So that's what happened. They text me, hey, I'm trying to make a payment. Boom, we got on the phone, we had a conversation, and boom, I was still able to make the sale. See what I mean, guys? So being available, being accessible, and having options allowed me to still transact my business. Okay, and you can do the same. You can do the same. So definitely go check out Spritz. Link is in the description. You get $10. It says here, sign up and get $10 towards your first crypto bill. Because you can do everything with this. Check it out. Look at this. Pay anyone, pay your rent, pay your friends, pay your parents. Crypto. All right. Now, they sent out an email. Let's read over that real quick. They sent out an email with an update. Let's go over it real quick while I got you here. Hang on. Okay, they sent this email out. August community update. As the summer cools down, we're delighted to give you an update on all the scorching developments that have been heating up at Spritz this summer. Summer is our favorite season, so here's a little update on what we've been up to. We're getting ready to launch some new exciting features like our mobile app and personal payment addresses that will let you make payments on Spritz from any account like a wallet or an exchange. That's exciting. Yes. Now look like they've tapped into the DRIP program. They say DRIP program has completed. We're thrilled to announce the successful completion of our DRIP community integration. That's a powerful community they have over there. Thanks to those of you in the DRIP community, you earned thousands of dollars in rewards that went back into the DRIP network. This summer, we distributed $3,000 in rewards and additional $1,000 in bonuses to the DRIP network and its community. Wow. Okay. And then they've got USDT and USDC on Tron. Summer is a time of exploration and adventure, and we're venturing into exciting new territories with the launch of USDT and USDC on the Tron blockchain. This expansion adds fuel to your DeFi experience, allowing you to effortlessly transact on the Tron network and anywhere IRL. Your opportunities are expanding just like Spritz. This is great stuff, guys. Get your free crypto debit card. All right, so go check it out. Look at this new tutorial content. Learn how to harness the power of your crypto to settle credit card payments, make real world purchases, and much more. Knowledge is the summer glow that guides your progress, and we're here to be your guiding star. Shout out to Spritz. Okay, so alternatives, digital banking. All right, guys, so go check this thing out if you're interested in this affiliate marketing program where you can earn $50 commissions, $150 commissions, $300 commissions. These are training courses that work. Okay, shows you how to market online, attraction marketing. There's a $50 course, $150 course, and a $300 course. If you get the $300 course, you get the other two for free. Okay, so it's a $39 one time. There's no monthly fees with this. $39 website fee. Okay, so if you go with the $50 training, it's going to be $50 plus $39. If you go with the $150 training, it's $150 plus $39. If you go with the $300 training, it's $300 plus $39. One-time payment. Okay, instant payments. That's what I love about this. As soon as that person made the payment with the credit card, went right to my account. Okay, if Cash App was working, it would have went straight to the Cash App. All right, but these are instant payments, no delays. Okay, all right, guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, guys, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell. All right, we'll see you on the next video. Be safe out there. All right, have a blessed day.